memory card, baby, it wouldn't be flashing. Come up, error. So, both my kids have chest infections. The baby's got a chest infection now. Matthew's getting better, but the baby's, she's coughing all the time. She was breathing hard, but she's all right now with the breathing. She's got quite a bad cough, hasn't she? So Naga is busting with people as usual. Now, when it comes down to budget as well, guys, what you've got to realise is inflation. Things are going up and up and up, and our income doesn't change really. In fact, it fluctuates. Some months we get less than others, and that reflects when you actually go shopping, you know, less in the basket, all that. Where are we going, babe? Oh, from here, right? Okay.
No, from there.
Oh yeah, you're so funny. Hold on, I've got to stop laughing first. Oh, that's the thing. We went to get our gas bottle, a new gas bottle the other day. And the last time we got a gas bottle, talking about inflation, it was 630 pesos, something like that. Now it's 850 pesos for the gas. That's how it goes up here. Now, another thing when you come to Naga is never ask how much the fare is on a train, because the fare is 8 pesos per person and that's all you pay. Now if you ask the price, they're going to say more if you're a foreigner, because they know you don't know. Even though if you look, it says regular fare 8 pesos. Now unless you hire the tribe to go out of the area, and then sky's the limit what they'll charge you. But it's always best to get your Filipino partner to negotiate on your behalf, obviously. Ah, what a brilliant day. It's beautiful. I love it. And what, we're in October. If I was in the UK, I'd be freezing my backside off now. I've just realised I'm talking about Terence and Beth, thinking everybody knows who they are. It's actually a foreigner in the Philippines. So get over to their website and show them some love, give them your support, because like I say, they're heading towards some trouble and they'll need everybody's all the support they can. Now we're coming out of Naga. Not out of Naga, out of Centro, and we're heading towards SM. Now somebody asked me the other day where immigration was. Now as we turn, now bearing in mind that's Plaza where we've just come from, and we're heading towards SM. Now instead of turning right where the traffic lights are, as you can see coming up, instead of turning right to SM, we carry on just over to the left. That's where immigration is, just so you know. And bearing in mind, getting back to Terence and Beth, don't forget that when you're here, it doesn't matter what visa you're on, you're here as a guest of the Philippines, and they can revoke that privilege at any time, regardless of whether you're on a permanent visa or whatever, they can remove it. The only time it would be more difficult is if you were a naturalised citizen, where you'd gone and got citizenship. That's the only time they'd have trouble deporting you, because then you'd have a Philippine passport as well. But don't get into that situation. That is why I stopped doing what I did, because there's lots of bad people out there, jealous people that can't mind their own business, come to the wrong conclusions because they're not nice people, and they report you, whether it's a legitimate report or not. And as soon as immigration or the Philippine government gets on your case, then you're pretty well stuffed. So basically you come here, keep a low profile as much as you can, and don't have a bloggers channel, because my worry is now that because of Terence and Beth's situation, they're going to start focusing on all bloggers, myself included, and it's attention I don't need. You know, I'm just doing these videos because that's what I enjoy doing, trying to give people information and stuff. What? See? Pay the driver. Have you got no money? Huh? Is it because I'm a foreigner? What the hell? Thank you, sir. Huh? It's not enough.
10 pesos,
10 pesos each. Ah, there you go. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay.
You kuribot?
Well, it's supposed to be 8 pesos. You don't pay for him.
But you're foreigner, right? No, it's not included.
Oh, hold on. No, that's no.
Times 3.
That's 36.
24. 24.
16. Yeah, 24. Sorry.
Jesus.
Yeah. All right. Calm down. That's unusual for you to get the math right. It's normally me.
Did you see the reaction of the driver?
Yeah. Do you think he'd have run after me and started accosting me? So like I say, I can't take video, guys, so I'm going to have to shut the video down. We'll give you a quick rundown of how we thought it went when we come out, and then that'll be the end of the video. So see you in a mo. So we've been to see the foreigner, and he's been here a few days. He's been to Legazpi and different places. I'm not sure how it went. How did it go, Mel? You don't know? You've not asked? She interested? You don't know? What?
4 to 5 days, I think. What did you ask?
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
I said, is she interested?
I don't know, I did not ask him.
Him? Agnes.
Ask her.
Are you interested, Agnes? Yeah. Yeah. We'll take that as she's not interested. It's a bit difficult when there's other people around as well, and it's not a good atmosphere. What? Who said that? What, him? Huh?
No, not you. I have pasalubong from him.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah, he brought Mel some chocolate and Agnes. So that just reinforces what I said about you can actually talk to women online and get on well online, and then you meet them. Hi girls.
Hi.
And then you meet them and there's not that spark, there's not that interest. So can you imagine coming all the way over to the Philippines to meet somebody, and either you've been disappointed or they're disappointed or you're both disappointed? So you need to really think long and hard about what you're doing before you do it. So that's it then, girls. It's that time when it's over to Mel.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video.
And don't forget to visit our new revamped website, guys, at BrittonThePhilippines.com, and we'll see you on the next video.
Wait.
Bye bye.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes.
Bye bye.
Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes, Bye bye.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping